The Mister-T1 pretreat machine by Ecofreen provides a hassle-free solution to pretreating your garments in the fastest and most consistent way possible. Some of its top features include smart auto nozzle cleaning, prevents rusting with its all aluminum and stainless steel construction, touch control panel, open top design, and 10 adjustable spray volumes plus uni and bi-directional control. The Mister-T1 provides an adjustable spray area up to 20 inches, which can easily be adjusted with a single touch of a button. With its durable all-metal design and cost-efficient pricing, the Mister-T1 really pushes the limits of what a pretreat machine at this price point can offer.